Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Working on this Hamworthy Purewell Variheat condensing. It's 180 kilowatts. Gonna just put it into service mode and go through some adjustments. Down here you have the Flue Gas Analyzer sample point at the front of the boiler. The manufacturers recommend that your probe go in 100 millimeters into the test point. Over here you have the gas test point inlet, so you can also do a local tightness test here as the incoming supply is going up and to the gas valve. You can carry out a working pressure test here. Underneath this cap here you can adjust your high rate, an adding key. Underneath this point here on the gas valve you can also adjust your low rate. And just here you can check your burner pressure. Just here. So now we're going to put it in high rate, or should I say low rate, but service mode. On the left here we have our hot surface igniter, on the right we have our flame detection. It's a sight glass. As you know, you can disconnect the hot surface igniter and carry out a resistance test on it. Okay, I have my low rate reading. Now for my high rate. Ensure that you put your test point back on, the Flue Gas Analyzer sample point, and also ensure that you, when you're clicked down here, that you put LDF on the test nipple. Alright, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.